The new Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale just confirmed its 333 km/h top speed while ripping it up on the track. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Alfa Romeo engineering team just completed an intense test session on the 00 prototype of the new Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale at the Nardo circuit. Now, it tested its driving dynamics and performance in extreme conditions at very high speeds. Specifically, the test team monitored and validated dynamic parameters such as the aerodynamics, maximum speed, maximum temperatures, propulsion cooling systems, and cabin soundproofing. All this in view of the first delivery scheduled in Italy at the end of December this coming year. Now, for this type of high-speed testing to be conducted, it was clear that the Alfa Romeo would have to choose the Nardo Technical Center, or NTC, one of the most advanced testing and experimentation centers in the world, where the most famous automotive brands carry out their tests. And built in 1975 by Fiat, the proving ground extends over an area of 700 hectares dotted with woods and Mediterranean scrub, and boasts 20 test tracks for experimentation and development activities at all levels. Among these tracks, the famous Nardo Ring stands out for high-speed car and motorcycle tests with a diameter of 4 kilometers and a length of 12.6 kilometers. Considered the fastest circular car racing circuit in the world, the circuit offers different slopes and relative compensation speeds on each of its 4 lanes. Now, thanks to its parabolic profile, when driving on each lane at the compensation speed that balances the centrifugal force, drivers have the sensation of being on an endless straight. Now, it's on a circular track. The Alfa Romeo team carried out high-speed tests on the development of the 33 Stradale, validating its target top speed of 333 kilometers an hour, which actually is up to 206.917 miles per hour, which could equate basically to 207 miles per hour for the top speed, but it could go even further. Speaking of, well, it had an acceleration that went from 0 to 100 kilometers or 0 to 96 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. Now, all made possible by the meticulous work of the Alfa Romeo engineers on aerodynamics, where every line of the car's sculptural volume is functional to obtaining the best aerodynamic performance to raise the performance of the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine to overall 620 horsepower and the 8-speed DCT transmission with rear-wheel drive and electronic self-locking differential, an evolution of the V6 that already equipped the Italian brand's highest-performing cars. The new engine is mounted longitudinally in the center and guarantees exceptional performance, all fully confirmed on the Nardo track. Now, the dynamic test of the Nardo Technical Center followed a session that was held a few weeks ago at the Bolocco Proving Ground, and that hosted the development and preparation of the highest performing racing cars, Auto Delta, that have completed the International F1, DTM, and Super Turismo competitions. Now, in the historic location, the same team of the Alfa Romeo engineers concentrated the entire session on specific tests at medium and high speed with focus on balance, braking system, and road holding. Now, on the other hand, the dynamic goal of the project has always been extremely ambitious to offer the best driving experience in its category. In Bolocco, the first test was conducted at a moderate speed to evaluate the steering precision and the response of the braking system, in addition to the characteristic handling guaranteed by the system composed of the aluminum H-frame, the carbon fiber monocoque, and a refined suspension configuration. Furthermore, since everything is designed and aimed at maximum human-machine involvement, the car offers 2 driving modes activated by the controls on the central tunnel: road and track. As simple as that. The first can be activated when the car is started, ensures comfort and driving pleasure. Smooth power delivery, the usual pedal feel, soft suspension, smooth transmission, and active exhaust valves that only open above 4,000 RPM. Alternatively, in track mode, the driver chooses an adrenaline-filled drive. The power is at maximum, the pedals are even more responsive, and the suspension is stiff, as well as offering rapid gear changes and active exhaust valves that are always open. Among the most exciting performance controls is this configuration is the Avvio Molto Veloce, or very fast start procedure. By pressing the quadrifoglio button on the central tunnel, the gearbox, traction control, and power are acted upon to maximize acceleration while preventing wheel slip. Now, in some sections of the circuit, the Alfa Romeo test drivers also deactivated the traction control and turned the ESC off, bringing the car close to maximum speed, confirming that the 33 Stradale manages to combine the supercar performance with surprising ease of driving. and that's good for the non-professionals. Now, the active suspension is also playing a key role in the test, offering a perfect combination of comfort and performance. Specifically, the new supercar adopts a 100% Alfa Romeo double wishbone suspension layout with active shock absorbers and semi-virtual steering on both the front and rear axles, which ensure optimal steering control and maximum steering precision, as well as ensuring great lateral acceleration to ensure the best handling in all driving conditions. Now, finally, the test highlighted the precision and the ability of the brakes to adapt to different driving modes, ensuring control. Some will show that the new 33 Stradale brakes from 0 to 100 kilometers in less than 33 meters. All is made possible by an integrated Alfa Romeo brake-by-wire braking system, which controls both braking pressure and stability. Now, produced by Brembo for Alfa Romeo, the carbon ceramics guarantee high performance and ensure responsive braking with reduced fading at high temperatures. At the front and rear, the discs are ventilated and perforated with 6-piston monoblock aluminum calipers at the front and 4-piston at the rear. But with that said, what do you guys think about Alfa Romeo's basically 270 mile per hour top speed? And are you guys excited to see one of these ripping up the roads in person? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but make sure you guys also check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.